Welcome everyone to the top 6 must-have for application developers. So in no particular order, I'll be jumping into the top 6 online platforms in which I use to make app development as smooth and efficiently as possible. Jumping into number 1, Canva. Canva is basically an online platform in which you can create your own custom designs. I most often use this platform to create app icons, and to show you how simple and efficient it is, I'm going to go over here and create a small little design for you guys. It's pretty much as simple as dragging and dropping. You can also find your own images to apply and add in the background, but I'm going to just show you kind of like what you can get out and expect from Canva. I'm going to drag and drop this shape in, just expand it a little bit, and it pretty much does most of the heavy lifting and work for you. And that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll add in this triangle, rotate it, and I think I'm just going to leave it this gray. I like the color contrast with everything over here. But this is basically it. Once you're finished with your design, you can simply download it here and then apply it to whatever software you are currently coding in. Jumping into number 2, App Icon Generator, which is probably one of my personal favorites because I use it most often. And also when I discovered that this existed, it made my life 10 times easier. It's as simple as dragging and dropping an image file into this area, and it will generate different app icon sizes across all platforms. The same can be applied for image sets. You can simply drag and drop, download, and then apply it to your application software. At number 3, we have Flat UI Colors, which gives you a variety of very beautiful color palettes. And it's as simple as finding the one that you like and copy and pasting the hex code. You can then paste this into your coding or on other design platforms where there's often a search bar given for hex codes such as these. I mainly use it for background colors or making application icons. It's a very simple and clean and efficient way of finding colors. At number 4, we have Google Fonts, where you can find your own custom fonts that best suits your application. It's as simple as finding a font that suits you, and by clicking it and adding it to the bar down below. And you can follow the instructions given over here by simply hitting the Getting Started guide, and it will show you how to apply it to the SDK in which you are using. Coming in at number 5, we have Material Palette, which is a way of previewing which colors would best suit your application. It's as simple as mixing and matching and seeing which ones would work together. You can also copy the color palette hex code down below and also apply it to your coding. It shouldn't be a surprise, but lastly, coming in at number 6, we have Stack Overflow, which is an online platform where you can find solutions to common problems that you are having while you are coding. It's as simple as pasting the error into the search bar, and by finding a result. The one with the most upvotes and an answer highlighted in green is the one that a solution has been found. Otherwise, you can look through the others and see if that is helpful to you. If you watched the video to the end and you found what I put out helpful and enjoyable, why don't you consider hitting the subscribe and like button? I'll be making more content like this in the future, and let me know in the comment section below what you thought about the video, and also other possible application software or platform that you use which you find helpful. Let me know, and thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.